are Sabelita Ayu Wulandari, Santi Rahmawati, Selin Wulandari, and me, Ulfia Bilqis Salsabila. The first material will be presented by Selin.
I will explain the section introduction. Number 1, what is organizational change? Organizational change is the structural approach to transitioning individuals, teams, and organizations from a current state to a desired future state, often involving shift in strategy, operation, or culture. For the example, a company shifting from traditional retail to e-commerce is an example of organizational change. Number 2, the importance of evaluation and measurement in change management. Evaluation and measurement provide data-driven insight to assess the effectiveness of change initiatives, identify gaps, and ensure alignment with goals, minimizing risk and maximizing ROI. The next material will be present Ulfia.
Purpose of change evaluation. 1. Identify whether the objective of change have been achieved. 2. Measure the impact of the change on the organization. 3. Provide feedback for future improvement. Indicator of successful change. 1. Quantitative. Financial performance, productivity, efficiency. This indicator improve number and are used to measure the objective, measurable result of the change. 2. Qualitative. Employee satisfaction, organizational culture, work quality. This indicator improve observation, opinion, and attitude, and are used to measure the subjective, human, and cultural impact on the change. 3. Example of relevant specific indicator. The next material will be presented by Santi.
I will explain the section. 1. Surveys and questionnaires. Obtaining feedback from employees. Providing a questionnaire to the entire team to assess how effective the newly implemented soft skill training was. 2. Performance data analysis. Observing an increase or decrease in performance. The HR department analyzes monthly sales target before and after the new policy implementation to see if there has been an improvement. 3. Interviews and group discussion. Gaining a deeper understanding about the impact of the change. Managers conduct group discussion to get in-depth feedback from staff regarding the impact of organizational change. Next, success measurement process. Step 1. Determine the goals to be achieved. This initial step involves clearly defining what success looks like. The goals should be specific, measurable, achievable, relevant, and time-bound. Step 2. Determine the relevant indicators. Once goals are set, you must identify the key metrics or key performance indicators that will actually show whether the goals are being met. Step 3. Collect the data. This step involves systematically gathering all the necessary information, figures, and data points related to the determined indicators. Step 4. Analyze the result and create a report. The final step is to process the collected data, interpret the findings, measure again the initial goals, and document everything in a formal report for decision making. The next material will be presented by Sabel. I will explain the section challenges in measuring the success of change. 1. Data that is difficult to measure qualitatively. Qualitative data can be difficult to measure due to its subjective nature and the difficulty in measuring intangible aspects such as employee or moral or customer satisfaction. 2. Resistance from employees or management. Resistance from employees or management can hinder the measurement process, as they may be reluctant to adapt to new change or provide the necessary data. Example, management does not support change and employees are unwilling to complete surveys. 3. Lack of resources or time. Limited resources or time can constrain the measurement process, making it difficult to collect and analyze data effectively. Example, lack of express to process data. The last material will be presented by Ulvia.
Conclusion 1. The importance of systematic evaluation for the sustainability of change. 2. Measuring the success of change as the key to long-term success.
Have finished? Hello?
Finish, Bu.
Oh, thank you for the team 3 or 2. Good job. Everyone, you can asking about the question. Who's first? Anyone?
Bu.